For those of you who have known Kia for a long time and some of you who haven't, the Kia Forte is gone. With that said, we had to do something better and far cooler. Come take a look at this Kia K4, the replacement, the successor to the Forte. This is the EX model. It features some more upgraded wheels. This is a 17-inch alloy wheel in 2 tones. You have a polished machine face with a black center to it. The new body lines are sharp, gives the illusion that the vehicle sits a little bit lower without sitting too much lower. And the body lines take your eye right back over the wide rear fenders. You have matte black and polished black accents all the way around. Hidden trunk button. And tons of cargo room to it. One of the big upgrades with the new K4 over the Forte is even more passenger space than before. There's tons more legroom and everything on the interior is trimmed in a tricot cloth interior. This new cloth interior is designed to be more dirt resistant and harder wearing for young families and people in active lifestyles while retaining a sporty and robust appearance. Up front, the new driver's seat is more ergonomically correct. And push button start is now standard on all of our vehicles, as is the new digital dash. The steering wheel is tilt and pan adjustable, and as you can see, both Bluetooth and active cruise control are now very commonplace on these. Come on in, let me show you. The K4 features our new control surfaces. We've gone away from just rocker knobs. We now have roller wheels for volume and center display functions. The new K4 also comes standard with wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay. And to help you out with that, it has this huge wireless phone charger down here, built to accommodate phones of all different shapes and sizes. It also has high-speed chargers just above it for any other devices that you want to connect to it. Interior features our new shifter, and it also features our new modular cup holder system that is built to accommodate Hydro flasks, Stanley mugs, anything you can put in it. And if you need to size it down, it's got a coffee cup mode. If you are ready to upgrade from your Forte or get into something sportier than every other compact sedan out there, come on by, check out the K4.